How to update Snapchat web. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about using Snapchat on the web. So first of all, you need to go to web.snapchat.com, or you can directly go to snapchat.com, log into your account, and then you can chat, send snaps with your webcam, and view stories or spotlight. Keep in mind that you can't open regular snaps sent in the chat. You need the mobile app for those, but you can view the snaps. So Snapchat Web automatically updates. There is no update button like your phone. And to make sure that you have the latest version, you need to simply refresh the page you're using and try clearing the browser cache if needed. If the page seems outdated or buggy, clear your browser's cache. For that, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen, then go to Settings, tap on Privacy and Security, tap on Delete Browsing Data. Simply check the box of cached images and files and tap on Delete Data. Then reload the Snapchat web. Avoid saving Snapchat as a PWA. If you installed Snapchat Web as a progressive web app or a browser add-on, remove or uninstall it. Then open the Snapchat web via web.snapchat.com to ensure that you're using the newest version. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.